Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we might as well learn that cool song, the one that's pretty cool that has nothing to do with the minor 7. We'll learn that one today. It starts off in E minor, and you hit the top 2, and then you kind of hit the rest of the chords. And then you go to a C chord. And so when you do the C chord, it doesn't sound too bad if you leave this open E string in there as well. So it sounds really cool. So it sounds like this. So that's the rhythm guitar in the background for the main riff. But the cool way to play it is you can do your E minor staircase type shape down here. The 9th fret, you're gonna make a staircase, so that 9th fret is on the G string, and then you're gonna go to the 8th fret, and usually you would go to the 7th fret to make a staircase. But in this case, we're going to put our pinky right here. So it's gonna go. For extra credit, you can hit that open E string for the first note at the same time, so you're gonna have to pluck it like with your finger and your thumb, and so it sounds like this, which is super cool. And now when you get to here, it's a little more difficult because you're gonna go down to the 7th fret with your pointer finger, but at the same time, I do it with my thumb. I hit the 8th fret on the top string to get that sour chord out of it. Sounds really cool. And so that makes a major 7, which we learned a couple weeks ago. And so it sounds like this. Super cool. And so you want those root notes to ring out as much as possible. So while you're doing this, the next note is right here. It's going to be the 10th fret on the B string. And then you're going to walk down. So, and you're going to hit that open E again. You don't have to hit these open notes in this note. It's just extra credit. But it would sound like this without it. And so start trying to do it with the root notes and included. All right, and so next week we'll learn the chords to the verse and the chorus and the bridge. It's quite easy, but I think you have enough on the plate at the moment. And yes, good luck, sir.